Sunset on Malabrigo Beach near the Malabrigo
Lighthouse.
of our first night on the road. May 12, 2018. Batangas on the top of Mount, I'll mispronounce it, Guliagog. Fantastic light show of lightning all night striking the ocean. Some friendly Clark cows here. Look like Indian Brahmin. And these gorgeous mountains, islands in the distance. Bouncy, bouncy. One of those is Tingloy. And way in the distance, which must be, let's see, south. No, actually north. Such a gorgeous sight. Yeah. Got a calf there, so they're a little anxious about me being close. Beautiful waters of Batangas. This side of Mabini, near Anilo, which you can't see but it's below us. It's where I did a lot of diving years ago. Night number 2, Dos. Lolo Beach.
Lobo.
Lobo.
Not Lolo.
I'm the Lolo. We're at Lolo is at Lobo Beach in our Kubo hut. But we took a long walk. We're way down there, maybe where you can see some lights. Here comes a little banca boat in, running lights. Beautiful night. This place has it all. Mountain views, island views, pretty good beach, Kubo with electric and Wi-Fi, but the water is murky and muddy. Can't even see the bottom. So we will continue our search for the perfect place. Day 2 on a 2-month trip around the Philippines. Sunset on Malabrigo Beach near the Malabrigo
Lighthouse.
Fish Sanctuary and Reserve, Batangas. Gorgeous sunset. And the whole Batangas Navy out to conquer the squid of the night.
They're all out. Oh my gosh,
Oh,
it's
another
like
one's coming.
painted sky is here.
All these islands in the distance, Mindoro, one of them. And over to the left, we can see the flashing of the
Malabrigo
Lighthouse.
Lighthouse. There, little light there. Yep.
May 15, 2018. Whoa, more boats. Look at this. Where do you go? Where do you go? Where do you go, 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 go?
Hi guys.
Good luck.
Hello.
Happy voyage. Aloha. Mabuhay. I did see a lionfish.
You did.
That was a silver one. So we've come down a long and twisty, up and down, mostly dirt road, to get to this deserted place south of Malabrigo Lighthouse. These rocks look interesting, so we thought we would take a stroll out here. It's so damn hot out there. It's probably about 92. I like it though. Pretty deserted. If I lived out here, I'd definitely get a motorcycle. Coming out this area would be my playground. Antimonan Zigzag Park. Part of K-Zone National Forest Park. Interesting little place. All this man-made stuff. Giant 100-year-old banyan trees. And enough vines for a dozen Tarzan movies. Eagle has landed. Gets a little sketchy here, but this goes down. Over this way.
Mister, where are you going?
We're going to Malagasy Falls
Malabasay Falls.
on this dirt road, muddy dirt road. It's only a kilometer, so we should do it fairly easily. 50 meters or so, past these giant ferns. And I can see the mist. Hi.